She's royal, yeah, so royal.
I will be starting a wave journey and then eventually maybe growing out my hair. But right now, I do want to be a waver. Like, what is going on? Yes, so I am about to cut my hair off again. I tried to grow my hair out. I definitely did. I even had waves for like a good 4 weeks. Even though I shaved all my hair off in the beginning, I still had thinning spots. They're literally right here and right here. When I had waves, you could really see it. And I was just like, oh, well, let me go to a barber. Still haven't found the right barber. I went to go get my hair cut all to pretty much cover up these balding spots that I have in my head or thinning spots that I have in my head. All for him to take like 2 hours to do the cut and me to come home feeling like unsatisfied. Like, I really don't like it. So I am going to cut my hair after spending $40. I think I'm going to razor it off too. Probably with the Norelco this time, which is the electric shaver. But right now, y'all, I'm just trying to get my hair at an even length and just like not have edges, not have a bald spot. So let's get started. Thanks guys for being here. If you like this video, please thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe.